If I go, how do I get back?
Okay, we're starting our afternoon trek, 30th of April.
Okay, ready?
We're somewhere, I'll put it down the bottom, the name of the place here.
We're now in the Kinabatangan River, and today we're trying to find an elephant.
Yes.
Hopefully, yeah. Finger crossed.
I got it, man.
With the net half and the bedly. We got bed, bread in the house.
Right on.
Yeah.
Go find some elephants.
Excellent.
Who's in the house?
Best team ever.
It's here too, so yeah, I'm here too. Don't forget me, you know, okay. But here it is, we're going down here, looking there. Ooh, look up here, yeah.
Oh, those videos are so funny when you think it's a still and it's really a video. By accident.
There's Marco, there's my man there, the Birdman. Birdman. The Bird Woman is up there somewhere too, so. Okay, all right, our journey begins. And so it begins. We shall see.
Ooh, crash.
Oh, look at the Mel. It's coming. You see the one bread?
No.
The one at the right? Here.
Ah,
Under the high bread, 12 o'clock.
okay.
And then another here on your left side. Oh, just get this one bread. On your left. This one. There we go. The big Mel, yeah. Oh, there's a good profile to see the Mel on your left.
Oh, yeah, look at that.
9 o'clock.
Get ready. There are two more juvenile proboscis about to jump.
On the left?
Where? On the left.
Okay.
Oh, wow. This is really cool.
This is incredible.
They all jumping like monkey.
One. Oh,
Oh, wow. How did he do that?
back and forth. What are they doing? They listen to you, Vicky.
Yep, practice.
Thank you for telling them.
You're gonna do it again.
Oh,
This is
straight ahead. You can see them jumping.
This is unbelievable.
Oh, it's gonna Mel jump.
Again.
That's a good pose. Get ready on that.
Yeah, Vicky, we need your help to
Okay,
tell.
jump back. Go on.
Get the Mel. Oh, the Mel jumping again.
Look at the big male with the red chili. Really cool.
The Mel is really good profile now. Try to see it.
That's a good photo, David. You can
got
get
it.
that.
I got it.
You got it? Okay.
I don't think I can show it. It works.
Big belly, big nose,
Onion red chili.
Big chili.
big chili. Look at this guy posing for you, everyone. If you okay, get ready. There are some more about to leave.
Oh, nice one. Good one.
Oh,
Oh, look at the young one.
oh. Do it again. Do it again.
You think it's just for fun that they leave back?
I think they are. I think they are having fun.
Sampat lagi nih.
They're not really traveling anywhere.
Sampat lagi nih. Kalau harap penting. Snack kami satu. Bet. Harap kami satu. Snack lagi.
Oh, he went in the back now.
You're traveling through another dimension. A dimension not only of sight and sound, but of mind. A journey into a wondrous land whose boundaries are that of imagination. That's the signpost up ahead. Your next stop, the Twilight Zone.
Yeah, that actually looks...
We're heading down the creek,
They want them to be able to cross
trying
the
to
river
find
walk.
some
So they can
animals.
go to more
Looking for
habitat.
elephants. Haven't seen any. We've been on the go for a couple of hours.
Expands their habitat. Ooh, that one looks great.
Yeah, that looks really great.
Oh, boom.
It's always hit or miss whether you're going to see something.
They said it looks
So
great.
we came, we tried, but we didn't see. Saw a crocodile, some birds, and some sticks, and that's about it. So we're going slow here. I think we're going to be turning around pretty soon because we got a long drive back, but going down the river here. So here it is. Okay.